guys ready to go. We got court marshals ready to go. Let's do this race. Bethany's over there really cold. Probably because she's wearing half a t-shirt.
George's taking the long way around. He's warming his tires up before he goes.
Jonathan out in the lead, followed by Sean and Ted.
Serious, man. That slipper was on there.
I know.
I knew that gear was going to make it through the heat race.
And there's Flipper.
They call him Flipper, Flipper.
Oh, that's a new leader. We got Ted now in the lead.
35 seconds. The top drivers are C. Main
Jonathan in
in first
second.
place, followed by Flipper in second place,
So Ted's over there
followed
in
by
a
Sean
silver
McCree in
truck.
third place,
Followed by Jonathan in the red and yellow truck.
followed by Trailer Bobby in fifth
Sean
place.
in the other green truck, or the green truck, one of the green trucks. I don't know which road this exact second. We're on the black stripes. Here we go. George has the white stripes.
You picked a fine time to leave me loose wheel. You should be bolted to my automobile.
Jump inside, take a ride on my train.
Trailer Bobby's running dirty.
Cruise around, rock yourself in my train.
After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are Ed with a T in first place, followed by Sean McCree in second place, followed by Alan Long in third place, followed by Trailer Bobby in fourth place, followed by Flipper in fifth place. Two minutes left.
Well, you know that I assumed that T before ever having a heat race. I didn't think he would make the heat race.
Ooh, that was dirty. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Kenny, how are your legs feeling? Good? Okay, good deal.
After 2
You go
minutes
cool,
and 12
right? Now go
seconds,
quick.
the top
Oh,
drivers
go,
are
no,
Ed with a
not
T
now.
in
Not
first
now.
place,
Nope, not now.
followed
Right,
by
you
Sean
stuck in
McCree
there.
in second
I'll just set up
place,
camp.
followed
He's
by
getting on,
Alan
Joe.
Long in third
We'll be in there a
place,
while.
followed by George Cawthon in fourth place, followed by Trailer Bobby in fifth place.
I don't know if it had a theme, but there's few things wrong.
So Ted out front, Sean running second. Alan running third, all on the same lap. That's for you, Kenny.
1 minute left. After 3 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Sean McCree in first place, followed by Alan Luong in second place, followed by Ed with a T in third place, followed by George Cawthon in fourth place, followed by Trailer Bobby in fifth place.
I come out of two.
Ted, what happened? Look down for 1 second and Ted was in third.
Damn, they're rolling 4-6. Is that what Alan just ran? 4-6. Yep, that thing is fucking
After 3 minutes 46 seconds, the
12
top
seconds to
drivers
go.
are Sean McCree in first place, followed by Alan Luong in second place, followed by Ed with a T in third place, followed by
Hey, that's
George
my truck,
Cawthon
Alan.
in fourth place, followed by Trailer Bobby in fifth place. Ed with a T done. George Cawthon done. Trailer Bobby done. Sean McCree
Sean,
done.
I'm not going to lie, that may have been the most given to race I've ever seen in my life.